Good morning, children. Class 11, Trigonometric Functions, Part 4. Today we will discuss questions from NCERT from exercise 3.2. Let us read first question. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions if cos x equal to minus 1 by 2, x lies in third quadrant. It is given that cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. We can find out secant x, which is equal to 1 upon cos x. We know that cos x and secant x are reciprocal of each other. Value of cos x is minus 1 by 2 already given to us. You can see here. Then by taking reciprocal, we are getting the value of secant x, which is minus 2. We know identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Here, shifting cos square x on the other side, because value of cos x is minus 1 by 2 already given to us. By substituting the value of cos x, we are getting 1 minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. By taking LCM, we are getting 3 by 4. And taking square root on both the sides, we are getting sin x equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. We know that x lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant, sign is negative. That's why what we have to take, sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, because plus sign we have to reject because of the quadrant. In third quadrant, sin x is negative. That's why what we have taken, sin x is minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, we can find out cosec x, because we know that cosec x and sin x are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, you can see here, cosec x is 1 upon sin x, and sin x is minus root 3 by 2. Therefore, what we are getting here, by taking reciprocal of it, we are getting minus 2 by root 3, which is value of cosec x. Tan x is sin x upon cos x. Value of sin x is minus root 3 by 2, and cos x is minus 1 by 2. 2 cancel, minus minus cancel. Tan x is left, root 3 only. And cot x and tan x are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, what is the value of cot x? That is 1 by root 3, because tan x is root 3. In this way, we got all the 5 trigonometric functions if one function is given to us. Similarly, question number 2, sin x is equal to 3 by 5 when x lies in second quadrant. Then how to find out the 5 trigonometric functions? See here. It is given that sin x is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x. And sin x is 3 by 5. Therefore, reciprocal of it is 5 by 3. Therefore, cosec x is 5 by 3. Similarly, we can find out other, and how you can see here. Again, we know that this identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. And we are shifting sin square x on the other side, because we know the value of sin x, that is 3 by 5, whose square is 9 by 25. By taking LCM, we are getting cos square x is equal to 16 upon 25. Let us take square root on both the sides. We are getting cos x is equal to plus minus 4 by 5. X lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant, cos x is negative. That's why cos x is minus 4 by 5. Reject plus 4 by 5. Now, secant x is and cosec x are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, secant x is equal to 1 upon cos x, which is minus 4 by 5, and by reciprocal of it, we are getting secant x, which is equal to minus 5 by 4. Similarly, tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x, and value of sin x is 3 by 5, and cos x is minus 4 by 5. Therefore, tan x is minus 3 by 4. And we know that cot x is and tan x are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, how we are getting the value of cot x? You can see here, cot x is 1 upon tan x, and value of tan x is minus 3 by 4. Therefore, cot x is minus 4 by 3. Question number 3rd, 4th, and 5th are same. You try yourself. Now, question number 6. Find the value of sin 765. We know that every trigonometric function repeat after an interval of 360 degree. Therefore, how to find out the value of sin 765 degree? You can see here, 765 can be written as 720 plus 45, because 720 is multiple of 360. It can be written as 2 into 360 plus 45. We can apply sin 360 plus theta is sin theta, and therefore sin value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2, means the value of sin 765 degree is 1 by root 2. Similarly, we can find out the value of cosec minus 1410 degree. Again, we know that the trigonometric function repeat after an interval of 360 degree. Therefore, how to find out the value? You can see here. Now, cosec of minus 1410 can be written as minus of cosec 1410 because we know that cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta. And therefore, 1410 can be written as 1440 minus 30 because by minus 6 we are getting 1410. And 1440 is a multiple of 360. You can see here 4 into 360 minus 30. Again, we apply here cosec 360 minus theta is minus cosec theta. Therefore, cosec 360 minus theta is minus cosec theta. Minus minus plus and cosec 30 is 2. Therefore, cosec minus 1410 degrees 2. Similarly, we can find out the value of 1019 pi by 3. Here, there are two methods we can apply. Either we can replace pi as 360 degree, pi as 180 degree, and we can do the question in terms of pi also. You can see here, I'm writing here 19 pi as 18 pi plus pi because we know that 18 pi plus pi is 19 and 18 is multiple of 3. That's why we have taken 18 here. 18 pi upon 3 is 6 pi plus pi by 3 and 10 we have to follow the rule is 10 360 plus theta is 10 theta and therefore what we are getting 10 pi by 3 which is the value root 3. Therefore 1019 pi by 3 is root 3. Similarly, we can find out the value of sine of minus 11 pi by 3. This you try yourself. Thank you so much.